On to this developing story. Let's take a live look at the federal courthouse there in Norfolk, Virginia, where New York State Attorney General Letitia James is expected at any moment. She's expected to be arraigned on fraud charges over a property she purchased there in 2020. Critics say this is the latest part of a revenge campaign by the Trump administration, while the White House accuses James of being a, quote, dirty cop. NewsNation's Libbey Dean is outside that courthouse. And Libbey, good morning to you. What exactly is Letitia James accused of here?
Well, good morning, Anna. This is all going to get underway in just a few hours. The Attorney General of New York, Letitia James, going to be here in this courthouse in front of a judge, hearing the charges brought against her and then entering her plea. Now, those charges and what she's being accused of is bank fraud and making false statements to a financial institution. This is a relatively short indictment. It's just about 5 pages long. Now, within this indictment, though, it claims that James didn't occupy that property. Instead, it was used as a rental investment property, renting that property to a family of 3. Of course, this is a residential property here in Virginia. And what she did and what she's accused of is falsifying a mortgage records to obtain a more favorable loan for that residential property. So that's what's all going to be argued here in court today. This indictment, though, of course, comes as President Trump has urged the Justice Department to indict James. That's something we hear frequently from the president, something he talked about just yesterday. Let's take a listen to him.
These are dirty cops. Letitia James is a dirty cop. You go after these people and they say how horrible you are, and yet I got indicted 5 times and impeached twice. Nobody says anything about that.
So the New York Attorney General denies these allegations quite heavily. We've heard her in video statements talking about this, accusing the president of political weaponization after she previously did file those dozens of lawsuits against President Trump. Let's take a listen to what James has to say ahead of court today.
This is nothing more than a continuation of the president's desperate weaponization of our justice system. These charges are baseless, and the president's own public statements make clear that his only goal is political retribution at any cost.
So in a last-minute filing from James's attorneys, this all came down yesterday. They argue that basically this case should be thrown out before this arraignment even happens, arguing against Lindsay Halligan, who is the interim attorney here, who brought these charges against Letitia James, and of course brought those charges against former FBI Director James Comey as well. And they argue a separate argument that is similar to what we are hearing from James about this case needing to be thrown out altogether because of the attorney overseeing it. And a source does tell me, Anna, today Lindsay Halligan will be sitting there in this courtroom as Letitia James is arraigned. Anna?
Yeah, and some people say it's small potatoes for charges like that, and others say rules are rules.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.